What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
What's the weather?
In Campobello, there's a tornado warning in effect until Thursday, March 25th, 2:30 p.m. The current weather is 59 degrees Fahrenheit with thunderstorms. Today, you can look for rainy weather with a high of 68 degrees and a low of 59 degrees.
That hit the neighbor's yard. What?
What was that?
It hit the neighbor's yard.
Go downstairs! Gee, I want you to go with you.
Go down, go down, go down. Yes, go down. I had to turn off my machines again.
Yeah, it's pouring down. And I got out and let those chickens were opening the doors there.
Oh, she just let them out when it was kind of nice.
They got a lot of work. It was outside light.
Want some dinner?
Is that my plate? And look, with this cheese, a little garnish right here, or is it?
Yeah.
I want to help you, Mom.
You want to help me?
Yeah.
Is this your favorite?
Yeah.
Who picked this out?
You did.
No.
Me did.
Yeah.
So,
You said you wanted what? You said, I want watermelon.
I want my
We gotta check it out.
It's watermelon.
It is.
There's
What do
a
you think?
It's watermelon.
What do you think?
It's watermelon.
Ooh, good thing we ain't eating it now. It looks like it is gone. Going bad.
Yum, yum.
Hold on.
Let me taste
Okay,
one.
hold on. Don't touch where I'm cutting. Don't go where I'm cutting, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You gotta make sure you spit the seeds out, okay?
What?
If you get a seed like that, you gotta get it out. Don't eat it.
Oh, you eat it?
Don't eat the seeds. You just blew it.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
It's a little. Looking a little.
Is it mushy? Yeah, just cut it up like that. What?
But see, I don't know if it's supposed to. You know what I mean? It's just a sweet sweet fantasy baby.
You want one, Mom?
Yeah.
You want one?
I was looking for the salt shaker. I need salt. It's not good?
See this baking. What's salt on it? Let me put salt on here.
Texture ain't right. Texture ain't right at all, but
You?
Hmm? It wasn't good, Sterling. The watermelon was overripe.
It's very bloody red.
Yeah, and we just got it, what, 3 days ago? Tuesday. And today is Thursday. 2 days ago.
Here you go. You want? You want?
Oh, thanks.
You want? Would it make you drunk if you ate it?
I know.
Chew it up. It don't taste that. Chew it up, Mom.
I am chewing it up, baby.
I'm actually cold.
Did you have a bath? Did you have a bath? Are you clean?
The band is turned on, Mom. Uh-oh.
We ain't gonna eat it now. We're gonna throw it away. Oh. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I know I didn't start it, but we have had multiple tornado warnings today. The weather's been absolutely insane, crazy. Like so much rain, so much water, of course, so much water, so much rain. But I have to finish all these shirts today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts. I think there might be more, but those are the ones that I pulled first. And it is 8:11 p.m. But all the orders that are due to ship out on Friday, I've said it's like a broken record. Etsy puts your weekend, like if you have a 2-week turnaround time, Etsy will put all the orders that you got on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to the Friday before. So instead of putting Saturday and Sunday saying, oh, 2 weeks will start from Monday, they say 2 weeks will start from the Friday before. Even goes for Sunday. Instead of saying, oh, you know, new week, you should start on, your ship date would be Monday. No, it still goes to the Friday. So you have all the orders that you received on those days pushed off onto the Friday. So it's always been that way. So Friday is usually like a ton of orders on those days. So, where was I going with this? Oh, I'm going to figure out which ones came in on Saturday and which ones come in on Sunday. And I am going to pick which ones I'm going to work on tomorrow, which would be Friday. So they would ship out on Saturday instead of Friday. I mean, and if they contact me and say, I'll be like, my turnaround time is 2 weeks as stated. So, but we've just had so many storms, and it's like, it's thundering now. Gotta shut everything down because our house has been hit by lightning before and it destroyed a lot of stuff. TVs, like none of the TVs in the house work, none of the VCRs in the house work. All those kind of electronics pretty much were fried. I don't remember if our refrigerator and stove were okay, but I do know we didn't have no TV at that time. We had VCRs and we had DVD players. This was in 2005, I want to say. But a lot of things got damaged. So, yeah. And it's kind of funny because at the time, VCRs were pretty much gone, wiped out. And so it was hard to find a replacement Here comes Darwin. Anytime I wear these pajamas, my husband says I look like that fruit. What's that gum? That fruity gum. Stone, what's that gum? Oh, zebra gum. Is that what's it called? I wonder if you have a ship date on my order. Anyway, let me get to work. I just went upstairs. And it's pouring. It has poured rain. Literally all day long. So the boogeyman don't get me.
Sissy, let me try.
No, you'll squeeze too much. When he like bites at it.
I feel Maya. Yeah.
Oh, no, don't use my fabric, baby. She'll lick it off her chin. It's okay.
Here, give your mother some.
Who's a pig?
Okay. No, not you, Whitney. Not you. Go.
There's a little left. Ew. It's fine. Clean it off. Get that off.
Pew, it smells.
Get that off me. Get that off me.
She just wipe it on her fur?
It was Winnie's slobber.
It's just me on my gum.
Hi guys, so it is 1:24 a.m. Journey is wide open. I'm very irritated. She's like irritating me. I went upstairs. I had to print off my shipping labels, and of course she's like wide open. And I know my husband and everybody's trying to sleep, so I'm trying to keep her quiet. She's just like... So then I had to go to the bathroom, and the bathroom's right by the room, and she's all... Woo! I'm just like, be quiet. So then we go to leave, walk out of the bathroom, and what she do, she grabs the hairbrush, and it's like, anytime she does that, when we take a shower or something, you know, we can't find the hairbrush. Why? Because Journey took off with it. So I made her put that back, and then she's like, we have a light. It's one of those motion lights. So let's say it's dark and you're walking, and it'll come on. I'm looking for an invoice, so if you're wondering what I'm doing. Got it. I'm just pulling all my invoices because I print them all off. Sometimes they get out of order, so I think I have two for that one. I think I just pulled one and I have the other. Anyway, and so then she grabs the light and throws it down the steps. I'm like, put that back. What are you fake crying about? You bump your head? Sounds very sad. Anyway, what is it? You bump your head?
I want a bandage on it.
You know why you can't put a band-aid on your head? Because you have hair right there. Do you know what band-aids are for? What are band-aids for? Band-aids are if it's bleeding. Is there any blood? Let me look. You think there's blood? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, Journey, what did you Do. What'd you bump it on?
I want a Band-Aid.
I know you want a Band-Aid, but you can't put a Band-Aid on your head. What did you bump it on? I should see this. What was it? Can I look and see if it's bleeding? Let's see if it's bleeding. It's right there. Hold on, let's look. Let's look. Is it a goose egg? You guys can see it right there. Is it showing? It's probably not showing up, but it's right there. It's a big old goose egg. It's all red. Yeah, see that? Ouch. Because it's not bleeding, so you don't need a Band-Aid. It's hurting so bad. Okay. Why don't you go lay down in the bed and watch TV, okay? Mommy's almost done. Oh, your ladder's broken. That's so sad. Anyway. It's been a long, hard week. Having machines broken, it's just, oh my goodness. Well, having my machine broken. It's been a long week, and today there was tornado warning after tornado warning. It's just, whenever there's a warning, we have to turn everything off. So we make sure we turn everything off, and especially want to turn my machines, make sure they're unplugged and everything, because I don't want anything happening to them. Anyway, I'm packaging orders, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I didn't get everything done. I got 1, 2, 3 shirts, and I have one from yesterday up here I have to package up, but it goes with the ribbon trim, which is out there, that I have to put a bow on, and the hair bow is upstairs drying, but I needed my glue gun, which I think is down here somewhere because it wasn't upstairs. So anyway, it's just a lot of stress. That's why I look forward to the weekends, because I'm able to take at least one day off and just, you know, not worry about it. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.